Hi guys, today you're watching my YouTube channel trailer. So I'm gonna tell you the games and my channel name. It's called Jack Frost Miner 3 and another Jack Frost Miner 3, 2 times. And we're gonna do a reviews of some DVDs, I think, or maybe not. And I'm gonna tell you the gaming that we're gonna play. It's gonna be Minecraft, Geometry Dash, and maybe Mortal Kombat X. And I'm gonna get some full episodes of the next step, if you know the next step, or I will show it to you, and I will get you all the seasons if you want to. And that's about it. So make sure to leave below and subscribe and like that video. So bye.